again with Hoot-n-Annies, and I don't have, I'll have 3 things to show you today, but it won't be long. I have done this forever, but I used to be like primitive. I had a primitive store, so my taste was primitive. But now I've kind of went to the farmhouse, so this is, I kind of put this away. But when we went back home this weekend, everybody back home in Kansas and that end of Nebraska, they're still doing primitive. So I will show you how I did this. And you take a container of cinnamon and throw some coffee in there, and then take your whatever you're gonna, whatever you're gonna cover. You didn't see me do that, Jim, did you? But you can leave it off the top so you can screw a lid on if you want, or not. But get this coated with Mod Podge. Wish I had the money that man had that invented that. What a lucky, lucky man. Okay, so then when it's coated really good, so it's going to look, you just roll your bottle or whatever you're doing. You have to pick it up and sprinkle it. And then when we get this all covered, you need to get it covered everywhere. Kind of smells kind of good, the coffee and the cinnamon. Just knock the excess off. Okay, this jar here, I had no coffee in it. I just used straight cinnamon, and it's not baked, so you know, this is a little darker. So anyway, so you take this jar in to your oven, and on a 300-degree oven for half an hour, you bake this, and it will turn dark like this. If you do this won't be as dark. It's the coffee that makes this dark. And then you can put a lid on it, or do what I did, because this is what they did back in the pioneer days. Okay, now for project number 2. I love these boards with this weathered look. But anyway, I'm making a centerpiece. They sell those little bitty moms, you know, and they're not very expensive, so I thought, that would set right in there for Thanksgiving. Okay, I had Thanksgiving napkins, and I don't know if you know this, but they're 3 and 2 layers. Just peel them apart, and with this is just Mod Podge that I'm putting everywhere. don't have to worry about being. And then you can, I just cut mine kind of like squares, but you don't have to be any way you want it. But I know our store has, well, it's Hy-Vee, and they have like little bitty mums around. I haven't been to the grocery store for a while. Jim goes. But anyway, I thought this would be cute sitting on the table. Probably have to go through and get some of the centers or the ends pasted down. You might want to cover the sides. Well, if it's going to happen, it's going to happen to me. But when we were driving down to Kansas, it's terrible, the flooding that's in Missouri and Nebraska and parts of Kansas. The bridges are closed, and Iowa's flooding too. Finger stuck to that, so I said an extra prayer for them, farmers. But anyway, this is what you'll end up with, something like this. And just let it dry and you're done. Okay. Okay, for the third and last project, I had this square box, and I have this seafoam paint, and I kind of just hit and miss, like the waves crashing on the sand. Okay, what I thought about doing was taking the Mod Podge and going over the bottom with a pretty thick coat, actually. Not even, just pour it a little bit. Because I have a jar full of pretty rocks, and I couldn't find a fish anywhere in my house. I was gonna have a fish sitting in here. When it seems like it's dry, you might want to turn it upside down, and the ones that didn't stick, if they're just loose on top, you can save them, and the ones that stuck, just leave them. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in a few days, and remember to like the video and thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, please. I love all of you, and God bless. Bye-bye.